Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala style special pumpkin cowpeas recipe. We just need only 30 minutes to make this delicious recipe. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 1 cup of soaked cowpeas. I have soaked it for 2 hours. Add half teaspoon salt. Add some water to cook the peas. Mix it well. Close the lid. Cook on medium flame for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, switch off the flame and leave it rest for 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, we can make the grinded mixture. In a grinder jar, take 3/4 cup of grated coconut. Add 4 garlic, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Grind it nicely without adding water like this. Keep it aside for later use. Now we can open the cooker. Cowpeas have cooked well. Now add 1.5 cup of pumpkin pieces, 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Close the lid. Cook again on medium flame for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, switch off the flame and leave it rest for 10 minutes. Now in a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil. Add 1/4 cup of grated coconut and fry it until it becomes golden color. Keep aside for later use. After 10 minutes, we can open the lid. Everything has cooked well. Then add the grinded coconut mixture to it. Also add 1 lemon-sized jaggery to it for special taste. Cook on medium flame until it starts boiling. In the meanwhile, take 1 tablespoon oil in a pan and heat it. When oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it's sputter. Then add 2 red chilies cut into halves, some curry leaves. Mix it well. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Switch off the flame. Now add this to the recipe. Also add the fried grated coconut to it. Close the lid for 3 minutes to get flavors absorbed. After 3 minutes, switch off the flame. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Our Kerala style special pumpkin peas recipe is ready. This recipe is very tasty when served along with rice. You must try it at least once in your life. You will really love it. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.